Good morning, everyone. Happy Vlogmas Day 18? 18. What's up, guys? I'm actually starting the vlog a little bit late today. I've already been to TJ Maxx and Kroger. I had to go to TJ Maxx because when I was there on Monday, I got a phone case, but I accidentally bought the wrong phone case. So I got one that was actually in the right size today. I also needed some gift bags and gift boxes, like for clothes and stuff. So I got those. Look at these that I got. They're unicorns. They're so cute. These are $1.79 at TJ Maxx. So I had to get them. And then I got one for my mother-in-law that has flamingos on it. And then I got this one. If Nala could stop digging her nose in the bag. I got this one. I don't even know who for. It's a little pig and I could not resist it. So I got that. And then I had to run to Kroger because Nala was out of dog food and we were out of toothpaste and just got a few little groceries and stuff. So anyway, that's what's been happening. I am about to eat my breakfast just like yesterday. I'm having avocado toast and a banana. But again, well, not again. This didn't happen yesterday, but my avocado wasn't quite ripe enough. So it's a little bit hard, the avocado, but that's okay. It's still gonna be delicious. And anyway, let's open up the calendar for the day. I'm very excited to see what we get. All right, 12 days of socks. Can't let it get in my avocado toast. I'm gonna put this down here. So this is my 12 days of socks. So we did 5 yesterday, so 6 is down here with the Death Star. Guys, I can't even tell you how excited I am for Star Wars tomorrow. Rise of Skywalker. Okay, I think these actually belong over here because we've already opened day 3, so it's these. It's Rise of Skywalker. I hope that it's so good. I'm so excited for it. Ooh, look at these. These are so cute. So they're purple socks with the Millennium Falcon in multicolors. So cute. I love these. I'm also just chillaxing right now. I have to do a little bit of cleaning before I go to work in like 2 hours, and I'm hoping to wrap some Christmas presents. But on Emoji Blitz, I just won a prize of 12 lives. So that's my first priority right now, is to go play some Emoji Blitz, because why not? I want to play some before I go to work. So that's what's happening. Tonight is the Survivor finale. We're not sure if we're going to be able to see it tonight because with CBS All Access, it posts like a few hours later. So we're very hopeful because tomorrow we're going to see Star Wars. So I don't know at what point of the day we'd be able to watch the Survivor finale. So I'm hoping that it posts tonight. You probably know before I do because the video is going to be titled either Survivor finale or not, most likely. So I guess we will find out if we're going to be able to watch it. But I'm very hopeful. I also want to see the Masked Singer finale, which is tonight. So there's a lot going on in the world of content. And anyway, yeah, that's what's happening. I think I'm gonna watch, while I'm playing Emoji Blitz, Belle's Enchanted Christmas, because that's one of my favorite Christmas movies. And yeah, eat my avocado toast, and that's how I'm gonna start my day. So guys, I just put my new case and screen protector on my phone. It's looking so much better. This is my old one, and to be honest, it's way cuter than my new one. My new one is just flowers. This one has cute little hedgehogs. But I mean, this one has nail polish on it. You can see on the sides, it's like super browned and old. I've had this on for like over a year now. And then my screen protector I had, which I honestly just changed recently, but it was had this huge thing on the side and had these on top. So it was time for a new one, and I'm much happier and everything is much clearer. So that is so nice. What's up, guys? I just got off of work, showered. We ate some veggie burgers and salad for dinner. We're currently watching episode 2 of Marvelous Miss Maisel. So I'm having fun rewatching it. Blake is enjoying watching it for the first time. I've got a little sleepy puppy. And yeah, Survivor wasn't on yet, so we're probably gonna watch it tomorrow on my break. So that is the plan. That's what we're doing. Yeah, just thought I'd update you guys. Are you having a good day, sleepy puppy? Sleepy puppy. She's got her paw here. She's so cute. Nala, you are so cute. Thank you everyone so much for watching today's vlog. I hope that you all enjoyed. Let me know down below what you are up to right now, and tomorrow's gonna be a very fun day. We're going to see the new Star Wars movie if you haven't heard already. And thank you all so much for just tuning in. I hope that you're enjoying Vlogmas so far and that you're having a wonderful holiday season as well. Bye.